I want to show you this expandable hose that we just received. This one here is 100 foot. You can get 50, 100, obviously, and 150. The really cool thing about this is look how tight this package is. It actually fits in this little bag because, as said and mentioned, it is expandable. But the really nice thing compared to the other types of brand is that this one actually comes with a nozzle. So you actually have this as an extra tool. And let's look at the actual build. Look how beautifully built that is. This is actually steel. This is metal. And you've got that little 3/4 inch outlet right here, or inlet, as I should say, with an actual shut-off valve, which is really, really cool. So actually, I could have this straight onto my house main and have the shut-off valve if you don't already have one, which is a really nice thing. And if you look at the expandability here, this is the cloth that will actually expand. So this is the exterior, and inside is a really durable rubber inside all the way through the, and look at that, it even has a nice little gasket right here. And the other end is just like this one here, where you would actually be able to have this here, and this goes into your house. This is great, and as you can see on the B-roll right there, it does expand really easily. And the great thing about this is that you can tuck away when you're done and you shut off the water. The actual whole thing will compress itself, make it very easy for you to kind of just like tuck it away, roll it up, maybe into a garden hose reel, or just put it back in the bag and tuck it away for the next time you have to use it. This thing is fantastic. You should definitely check it out.